He got arrested on 410, which coincidentally was the Hood Day, and he's got special term number 38, do not associate with known gang members. Now, the issue for him is he works at a nonprofit called Second Chance.
Did not know that.
Second call.
Part of what they do is outreach to members of the community. So what I did is I had a case conference with the judge. I explained that when Extra was arrested, he was alone. He was in his vehicle and he was at work in Limerick Park. So when they got him, he wasn't associating with anybody, right? So I told that to the judge. I told the judge, look, he's out there in the community. He's doing well. And then 4 Extra addressed the judge and he said, Your Honor, look, I'm not out there committing crimes, right? I'm working. I got a driver's license. My fiance is 5 months pregnant. It's a high-risk pregnancy. I need to be out. So I tried to get the man 44 days, which would have been credit for time served. The DA and the judge said no. Technically, this is his 10th parole violation. And the last one, he got 125. And so the offer was 130. But I really advocated for my client. We were on an approach. It was just me, the DA, and the judge. We were up there. And the judge said, so I told the judge about the relationship between parole agent Jones and my client, which is very strained, right?
Very adversarial.
He's got a vendetta against Extra. So I told him that, and the judge said, look, you can file a 602 grievance, which, if you remember from state prison, a 115 is a violation of the regulations. A 602 is when you're complaining about the cops or the prison. So he said we should file a 602 and possibly even take up a writ if it's denied. So I told the judge, look, Your Honor, every time I call LA Region 2, they don't answer. And the judge said, you know what? I'm not surprised. And the judge kind of had a low opinion of the parole office, but he doesn't have jurisdiction over them. So that's the bottom line. But Extra definitely told the judge everything that he was doing, and the judge commended him for the good work he's doing. But he also said, you know, you got to follow these parole terms because you're not a free man. You're conditionally released into the community, and that's what being on parole means.
Okay.